Hi, this is Michael Boyd, and I'm here doing discussion board number 2. I picked to discuss mine on student-centered open learning environments. Student or SCOLES enable students to determine the goals and the means of, or both, when which learning takes place. One of the most prominent affordances of educational technologies is that they support authentic learning environments. This situational learning task in the context of a real-world situation. In particular, student-centered open learning environments are a special case of authentic learning environments in which the individual learner determines his or her learning goals, learning means, or both. SCOLES thus support students' engagement in complex, often open-ended, structured problems. In particular, Florida actually had a program online called, part of the Florida virtual school system, where they had an actual video game that they used a great deal of the material from sort of like a Nintendo or Xbox. And they were time travelers, and they were time agents. And what they would do is they would go back in time, and they would provide instruction by having to solve time problems. And they could choose which cases they wanted to work on and where they went and how they hung it. And basically, they got to play the game any way they wanted to, and they earned grades based on how well they restored history to the original timeline. In a very real way, that is a SCOLE. That is a student-centered open learning environment. The process allows students an open-ended opportunity to shape their learning environment. And while the simulation is no longer running, it provided students an opportunity to explore and understand history in an unprecedented way. In SCOLES, scaffolding enables participation and mainly includes navigation guidance, which includes instructors selecting online communities as well as intended discussions. SCOLES enable the individual to determine the learning goal. And in an open-ended environment like a virtual reality game, students could determine the goal within a specific parameter. Clark and Felden point out that the SCOLE principles and lack guidance and imperial foundations. However, what they fail to see is that all learning is dependent upon an external stimuli, and SCOLE provide the opportunity to go way beyond external stimulation.